Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Gatorade G-Fit. This is their citrus berry. I've tried all their flavors except this one. The watermelon one was pretty good. So here's the so this is their basically healthy version with their like vitamins, and it's like their vitamin water. So you'll have water, and you see it has watermelon juice, vitamins in there, and then they sweeten it with stevia. So all right, let's do a quick taste test. All right, so let's do a quick taste test right now. This one's not bad. It has a hint of like a raspberry hint to it, but out of all of them, out of all three, my favorite is the watermelon. So yeah, it's just a hint of raspberry. So yeah. Any questions, comments, guys? Put some below. Subscribe to the channel.